Hi, I'm Pablo from P&M Prints, and today we're going to be testing our 3D printed pickleball rackets to see if they really hold up on the courts.
To do this, we're going to be hitting trick shots with the real paddle and the 3D printed paddle. And on top of that, Pablo and I, at the end of the video, are going to go head to head in a real pickleball match.
The trick shot we chose to do was to knock down a cup from about 15 feet away. And here are results for the 3D printed paddle. And here were the results for the real paddle. So as you saw, the regular racket actually beat the 3D printed racket in accuracy. However, since it costs a lot more money, it's actually tied with the 3D printed racket. And now the tiebreaker is going to be the match. We're going to do two different matches. One with the 3D printed rackets and the other with the normal rackets. And you guys in the comments are going to choose which racket wins. So I won round one. Now let's see if Pablo can make a comeback and win the next round with regular rackets.
We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We found these rackets online, but after using them and having a lot of fun with them, we learned a lot. And if you'd like to see our new and improved design, check out our Maker World linked in the description.
Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one.